Struggling to find a comfortable way to use your laptop in bed? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, huanuo Portable Lap Desk. First up is the huanuo Portable Laptop Desk. Priced at $51.71, this lap desk caught my attention with its cozy cushion design and multifunctionality. If you want a comfortable way to work or browse from your bed, this is worth a serious look. This desk is perfect for laptops up to 15.6 inches, which is pretty standard for most users. The anti-slip wrist pad and storage pocket mean you can keep your essentials close without worrying about losing anything in the sheets. Plus, the cushioned pillow conforms to your lap, giving you that extra comfort for long hours of use. Honestly, it's got over 10,000 units sold just last month, indicating how popular it is among users who need that convenience. Now, some folks have mentioned that the surface can feel a bit small if you have a larger laptop or need extra room for a mouse. Here's the thing, though, if you're primarily using it for browsing or light work, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still super stable and easy to use. This is perfect for you if you're a student or remote worker looking for a cozy spot to work from bed. Skip this one if you need a larger workspace or plan on using multiple devices at once. For the price, you're getting a solid lap desk that balances comfort and functionality. Now, if the size of the huanuo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more surface areas. Product number 2, Lap Gear Home Office Pro. Next, we have the Lap Gear Home Office Pro Lap Desk. Though the price isn't specified, it's been flying off the shelves with over 10,000 bought recently. What caught my eye is its spacious design and integrated features. If you want something that covers all bases for work-from-home convenience, this is a serious contender. This desk measures 21.1 inches wide, giving you plenty of space for your laptop and accessories. What's really neat is the built-in precision tracking mouse pad and a phone slot for video calls or checking messages while you work. The cushioned wrist rest also gives you that ergonomic support we often overlook until it's too late. Plus, its black carbon color adds a sleek touch, while the air circulation design helps prevent your laptop from overheating during those long sessions. It's no wonder it's been a hit in sales. However, some users did mention that it can feel a bit bulky when carrying around. But honestly, if you're looking for a desk that stays stable during use, that extra weight can actually contribute to its sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional desk that can handle everything from work to video calls. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and compact. It offers great value for the features it packs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want height and angle flexibility. Product number 3, SAIJI Height and Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand. At number 3, we have the SAIJI Height and Angle Adjustable Laptop Stand. Priced at $41.36, this one stands out with its adjustable features. If you want to customize your workspace for ultimate comfort, this is a must-see. The SAIJI desk offers 5 adjustable heights and 4 angles, allowing you to find the perfect fit whether you're sitting or lying down. It even comes with a soft wrist rest pad that's super comfortable. The retractable blocker is an added safety feature to prevent your laptop from sliding off. It's sturdy enough to hold up to 80 pounds, so you won't have to worry about it collapsing under the weight of your gear. Plus, it's lightweight and folds flat for easy storage, making it a great travel companion too. Over 7,000 people have purchased this recently, showing it's quite popular. Now, I did see some complaints about the assembly instructions being unclear. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, the flexibility you get is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you value adjustability for better posture while working. Skip this one if you want a straightforward, non-adjustable desk. For the price, it's a fantastic investment for long-term comfort. Moving on, if you're looking for something a bit more stylish and versatile, wait until you see the next one. Product number 4, BUIFY Folding Lap Desk. Now let's talk about the BUIFY Folding Lap Desk. At $47.83, this desk has a modern design and is super portable. If you want something chic yet functional, this could be your go-to. The dimensions of 23 by 15.5 inches mean you have loads of space to work with, whether you're eating, studying, or working. It even comes with a cup holder. How cool is that? The foldable design makes it easy to store away when you're done, which is great if you don't have much space. Plus, it's designed for various uses, so whether you're on your bed, couch, or even outdoors, it adapts to your needs. It's been bought over 6,000 times recently, showing it's a popular choice. However, some reviews pointed out that the surface isn't as durable as they hoped. Honestly, while care is needed to avoid scratches, the overall design and portability make it a fantastic option for casual use. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish desk that can be used for multiple activities. Skip this if you're looking for something super heavy-duty. For the price, you're getting good looks and functionality rolled into one. Finally, if you're after a more classic, stable option, check out the last one on our list. Product number 5, Gorilla Grip Laptop Lap Desk. Last but not least, we have the Gorilla Grip Laptop Lap Desk. Priced at $42.66, this desk is all about comfort and functionality. If you want a cozy, stable workspace while lounging, you'll want to hear about this. With its thick foam cushion, this lap desk is designed for stability and comfort while you work. It's lightweight and features a carry handle, so you can easily take it wherever you go. The surface is scratch and slip resistant, which is a big plus when you're working on soft surfaces like your bed or couch. Plus, it has a device slot that can hold your phone while you multitask. With over 4,000 purchases recently, it's clear many people are finding it handy. However, some users noted it's a bit small for anything larger than a standard laptop. But honestly, if you're primarily using it for laptops up to 15 inches, this shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option that's easy to carry around. Skip this one if you need a desk that can accommodate larger devices. For the price, it's a great balance of comfort and practical features. So to quickly recap, we've got the huanuo for comfort, the lap gear for multifunctionality, the SAIJI for adjustability, the BUIFY for style, and the Gorilla Grip for lightweight convenience. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the SAIJI because its adjustable features really cater to comfort and health needs while working. Avoid the BUIFY if you need something robust, as it may not withstand heavy use. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.